kole.
Jokanyo mag kuonde tiegruok mag TVET ochako chenro madino rode masiko digo yore jopuonjre mag TVET yudo tije malong'o e kembe mowinjore ondik gi e tich.
Kalure kod jagoro mongirore migawo mar Trade Market and Industry Laktar Juma Mukwana gichako migawo moro miluongo ni Kenya Internship and Jobs Initiatives madhi konyo medo tiego jopuonjrego kod lony madwarore e kembe mandiko gi tije mondo kwan jopuonjre modiwo kaonge tije to kod tiegruok odog piny kalure ni nyaka sani maloyo jopuonjre 600 osechako ndikore mar yudo tiegruok manyalo jologi e yudo tije mayot.
Magi duto ne giwacho seche mane gibedo kod romo gi jokanyo kod migepe mopogore opogore matwak e wi okenge mowinjore mabiro miyo chenrono keto e tim kendo chopo kare.
TVET graduates to help us manufacture and make products. So the discussion that we are having here is how can we get the best graduates that can give us good value, that are more efficient, more effective, that can then help us build our industries. And so we are here to engage, to talk to the colleges, the principals, to look at the curriculum, the teaching, the teachers, and basically how we can get skills that can help this country to go to the next level.
And right now we're grateful because we have a policy, a national policy framework in place. We have already tested the applicability of that framework for this country. We've done piloting twice. We've assessed more than 600 candidates, and we are looking at doing a launch of recognition of prior learning policy on 6th of October 2023.
I can assure you all that the flame has been lit. What we've seen over the past week since we've been working with faculty colleagues is an incredible, powerful cadre of smart and committed and really intelligent young faculty members. We see enormous potential, and as I said to Dr. Juma earlier today, I can see the future, and the future really is Kenya and industry development based on the policies and the work that you've all done.